Hello everyone, welcome all of you in Science and Study Zone. Today we are going to discuss about rectangle. So let's start. A rectangle is a four-sided polygon having all the internal angles equal to 90 degrees. The two sides at each corner or vertex meet at right angles. The opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length, which makes it different from a square. For example, if one side of a rectangle is 20 cm, then the side opposite to it is also 20 cm. A rectangle is characterized by length and breadth. Both length and breadth are different in size. In the figure above, a rectangle ABCD has four sides as AB, BC, CD and DA and right angles A, B, C and D. The distance between A and B or C and D is defined as the length, whereas the distance between B and C or A and D is defined as breadth of the given rectangle. A rectangle is a type of quadrilateral that has its parallel sides equal to each other and all the four vertices are equal to 90 degrees. Hence, it is also called an equiangular quadrilateral. Since the opposite sides are equal and parallel in rectangle, therefore it can also be termed as a parallelogram. Shape of rectangle. A rectangle is a two-dimensional flat shape. In an xy plane, we can easily represent a rectangle where the arms of x-axis and y-axis show the length and breadth of the rectangle. Rectangular shaped objects. The most common everyday things or objects we see and are rectangular in shape is television, computer screen, notebook, mobile phone, CPU, notice board, table, book, TV screen, wall, magazine, tennis court, etc. Properties of rectangle. It has four sides and four vertices. Each vertex has an angle equal to 90 degrees. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonal bisect each other. Perimeter is equal to twice of sum of its length and breadth. Area is equal to product of its length and breadth. It's a parallelogram with four right angles. Sum of all interior angles equal to 360 degrees. Perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is defined as the total distance covered by the outer boundary of the rectangle. It is measured in unit length. The formula of perimeter is perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Area of rectangle. Area is the region covered by a two-dimensional shape in a plane. It is measured in square unit. Therefore, the area of rectangle is the area covered by its outer boundaries. It is equal to the product of length and breadth. The formula of area of rectangle is area equals to length into breadth. Diagonal of a rectangle. A rectangle has two diagonals that bisects each other. Both the diagonals are equal in length. Length of diagonals. The rectangle is a symmetrical shape and has both the diagonals equal in length. A diagonal will divide the rectangle into two right angle triangles. Therefore, we can easily calculate the length of diagonals using the Pythagoras theorem, where the diagonals are considered as hypotenuse of the right triangle. Let D is the hypotenuse, length and breadth are the base and perpendicular respectively. Hence, the length of the diagonal of rectangle will be diagonal equals to root length square plus breadth square. So today we have learnt about rectangle. Further we will learn something else. Thank you very much.